Have you ever watched a viral reel and wished you had the time to create one yourself? Well, today is your lucky day. I'm going to show you how to create one in just a few minutes. Monetize your channel with only a few minutes of work per day.
The universe began with the Big Bang around 13.8 billion years ago, a massive explosion that created everything we see today. Fact 2. There are black holes that can be billions of times larger than our sun. Their gravity is so strong that not even light can escape.
In the quiet streets of Jerusalem, a heart burdened with love and pain spoke. Jesus, a beacon of light, bore the weight of humanity's sin. Facing betrayal and condemnation, Jesus endured unfathomable suffering. Yet, with grace, he taught forgiveness, unyielding love amidst the world's scorn.
¿Quién es este hombre que, lleno de dolor, sigue amando incluso en el sufrimiento? Su historia resuena en nuestros corazones. La cruz, un símbolo de sacrificio, refleja la lucha entre luz y oscuridad. Jesús lleva el peso de la humanidad sobre sus hombros.
Clipwise is among the best short video AI generators, creating shorts in approximately 3 minutes, and used by over 50,000 creators. It can create faceless videos, AI-hosted business and marketing shorts, Reddit-style videos for trending topics, and trivia quizzes. You can create all of them in one place with extensive customization options. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just a regular person, you need this tool. Provide a prompt and choose the format, review the script and settings, and select a style you're satisfied with. Boom, your video is ready. Do you know what the best part is? I'll spoil it for you. They're offering an amazing, limited-time discount on monthly and yearly subscriptions. We can save 60%. That means with only $20 per month, you can create up to 200 videos, and with just $32, you can generate unlimited videos. This is mind-blowing. But it's not over yet. They have an affiliate program that will give you 30% recurring revenue, and it only takes 4 simple steps. You can easily make money with both the videos and the affiliate program. Let's get started with signing up. You can sign in with Google or sign up using your email. If you already have an account, use the sign-in option. You can add your prompt here. In the top bar, you can see the available styles. Choose the style you want for your video. In the right panel, you'll find examples of the chosen style. The provided output examples help you find the style you're looking for. If you run out of ideas, you can use the AI-generated inspiration provided. Simply click on the one you find suitable. You can choose the duration, use different languages, change the tone, and target a specific audience with particular interests. If you have a theme for your story in mind, you'll likely find it among the excellent themes provided by Clipwise AI. Now let's create some viral shorts together. I will guide you step by step. So, for the prompt, you can add anything. I will use a simple task. I want a scary story about World War II. It gives me a lot of options for language, but I'll stick with English for now. I think a casual tone will work best for a story, and I want to tell it to a general audience. Let us extend the duration to 60 seconds. We have a scary story, so for the theme, I want to use something dark and horrific. Dark intensity is fine. Let's proceed. In this page, you might need to wait a few seconds for the AI to create the scripts. You can choose the voice and avatar, but for this story, I don't want avatars. For the voices, there are a lot of options available.
Let her go now. I have crossed.
Love is composed of a single soul.
With everything going on in
The winds of the lands between.
I'm looking for deeper one.
Hey there and welcome. Grab a coffee.
Just because it happened, what?
If you really think you're alone at night.
This one is perfect. I will choose it. Also, I don't need any avatars on the short. In the next part, you can easily regenerate the scripts or even customize them. By clicking on the pen icon, you can change the single scene, regenerate it, or even upload your own image for it. This option is perfect. You can also add the scene or upload an image for it. In this step, you can change the music and visual effects. In the first part, you can change the speed, volume, and the background music. You can upload your own music, or find the best one between countless options Clipwise AI gives us. After that, we have caption settings. You can change the font, position, colors, and style. I believe this one fits my video.
In the desolate fields of World
I will change the color to violet.
In the desolate fields of World War
The final section is dedicated to the visual effects. You can upload your own, or find the best one between the Clipwise AI list for your video. My video is historical, so I want to add a vintage overlay. You can easily see the preview of the overlay on your video when you select it. The old film filter actually looks good on the video. I will use this one then. Let's watch the preview together. I turned the transition sound off and changed the caption color to red. This is the final result.
In the desolate fields of World War II, whispers echoed. Soldiers spoke of creatures lurking among shadows, haunting their every move. One soldier ventured into the woods, drawn by instinct. As branches scratched his face, he felt unseen eyes tracking his every movement.
That was actually entertaining and fun. Let's create AI host quickly. I want it to be about facts about the Persian Empire. I also want to use uncommon visual themes. I think a manga style is good.
Our application interprets images, texts, and more.
No, this one won't work with my theme.
The people who are crazy enough to think.
I didn't like the second one either, so let's stick with the voice AI has chosen for us. You can select which avatar you want. I will choose the first one for this video. I don't want captions for this one. I also won't change the visual effects. Let's see the result.
Did you know the Persian Empire once stretched from the Mediterranean to the Indus River? This vast realm was a wonder of the ancient world. Home to incredible architecture like Persepolis, the empire's brilliance dazzles even today. Art, science, and culture thrived in its cities.
That was quite good. Let's create another one. For this one, I want to create a quiz with 3 options about European conflicts. All the steps are the same, except instead of the script, you can change the script, regenerate it, or even change the answer. Let's see the result.
Ready to test your knowledge of major European conflicts? Let's dive into history with a fun quiz. Question 1. What major conflict involved Napoleon Bonaparte attempting to dominate Europe? Think you can get it right?
So, for the final test, I tried to create some shorts with different languages, and the result was awesome. Next one is an Indian short.
World War II was a chaotic time, where fear met mystery. Today, we uncover the top 5 creepiest unsolved mysteries that remain eerie enigmas.
I created this one in the French language.
Dans le silence du désert, une silhouette solitaire marche, portant le poids des souffrances humaines sur ses épaules.
And for the last one, I used Portuguese.
Era uma vez coelho chamado Biscoito, que amava aventuras em campos cheios de flores e sonhos. Vamos descobrir juntos.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.